Hi, I'm Pam Vendetti, and I'm Head of Education at NeoGenesis Skincare. I hope wherever you are today in the world that you're staying safe, you're following the guidelines, and that means frequent hand washings. I want to talk to you today about why it's really important to keep the skin very strong, especially at this time. Our skin is part of a larger system called the integumentary system. Being part of that, it is an organ of the body. It's considered the largest organ, and it is the only organ that is outside, it's external. Its job is to protect us. When you think about what we are going through, we want to keep our immune system very strong as it can be. And part of keeping it strong will be the skin. With all these frequent hand washings, you may notice extreme dryness. Your skin may start to crack. There may be cracks that you can't even see. There may be an uptick in, if you've got eczema or psoriasis, you may see rashes. Things may start to break down, is what that looks like. And why that's really important is that your body, your skin on your body is your first line of defense against anything in the external world. It keeps it out. It also keeps our water in. It keeps us hydrated. It keeps us safe. So what happens when it cracks is that all kinds of pathogens can be introduced into our system. That becomes a problem. We get systemic inflammation. And as we all know, when you have a lot of inflammation in your body, it weakens your immune system and your ability to fight things off. So let's consider skincare an extremely important part of protecting yourself at this time. With the frequent hand washings, very important to keep doing this. Before and after you touch anything, right? Don't touch your face. We know what the rules are. They say wash for 20 seconds. I'm going to say wash for 30 seconds, right? Just to make sure you get the 20. You can sing happy birthday twice and then some. Give yourself a really nice hand massage every time you wash. That can feel so good, just to give yourself a little self-care and a little self-love by washing your hands and massaging them each time. What I want to introduce to you today is a trio of NeoGenesis products that are going to help keep your skin very strong and very resilient, therefore protecting you during this time especially. The first step in protecting your skin is going to start with a good non-irritating cleanser and a non-inflammatory cleanser. This is going to be used multiple times a day, so you want something that is effective, that actually cleans your skin but is very gentle on the skin and keeps that pH at the right place. You don't need to be more aggressive. The cleanser itself will take care of the cleaning that you need to do. This is going to take one pump. And what I like to do is to put one pump in a dry hand, and then with the other hand, slightly damp, begin to work it into the skin. Get into all those little crevices in the skin, get around the cuticles, get under the nails. Remember, you're going to want to do this for 20 to 30 seconds. Really take your time cleaning. Give your hands a little love, that little hand massage while you're doing it. You can sing happy birthday twice and then some. So let's go the full distance. Let's do the 30 seconds and really protect ourselves. One pump of this cleanser. You'll be using this throughout the day. The next step in really protecting and taking care of the skin, especially at this time, is going to be the NeoGenesis Skin Serum. So this beautiful serum, I would recommend twice a day. You're going to use one pump. What can be really helpful is after you cleanse your hands, don't dry them completely dry. Leave them ever so slightly damp. That's really going to help one pump of the skin serum spread all over the hands. I don't want you to have to overuse this, but it's a great product to really repair the layers of the skin. So I would use it in the morning And I would use it the very last washing of your hands that you do in the evening before you go to bed. This is going to be a really important part of keeping the layers of the skin strong and in good repair. The last step is our barrier renewal cream. A barrier renewal cream is a little bit different than a moisturizer. While this does hydrate and it hydrates beautifully, it's full of these 3 key lipids that are necessary to really repair the barrier of the skin. And it's so important to keep that strong at this time. This product, you're going to use approximately 2 pumps. After the skin serum, really massage that into the hands. Really important to do this. You'll be using this multiple times throughout the day after cleansing. So I want you to use this not only twice a day after the skin serum, but I want you to use this throughout the day. Whenever you cleanse your hands, use a couple of pumps of the Barrier Renewal Cream to keep your skin very strong. We're talking about the hands today, so important, but these products are also perfect for the face. Don't forget about your faces during this time. The cleanser, the skin serum, and the barrier renewal cream are a beautiful home care protocol twice daily. If you're already using a NeoGenesis serum on the skin, whether it's recovery or booster or skin serum, continue to do that. It's never been more important to keep our skin strong and intact. It is really going to go a long way towards protecting our immune system. We don't want anything getting in. If you have any questions about these products, please contact us at NeoGenesis. All the information will be found below this video, so you can get in touch with us, and we'll get these products sent right after you. Stay safe, everybody.